So essentially, what is taught in law school and what takes place in the practical scenario are not completely different. There is definitely some linkage, and it'll be wrong for me to say that whatever you study in the law school has no application in the real world. But at the same time, the criminal law courses in the law school are obviously taught from a theoretical perspective. Their perspective is limited to the theory of the law, and therefore, till the time you actually apply that law in a complicated trial, in a given circumstance, in a given factual scenario, you will not be able to understand the exposition of the law. So, it is important that the landmark cases which are taught in the law school are grasped properly by the law student to understand and appreciate the principles of criminal law. But when you actually come to the courts and do the file bail applications, argue bail applications, prepare cross examination questions, elicit the right answers from the appropriate witness, those are the things which you will actually learn from the trial. And also, one important point which I would like to make is that in law school only landmark judgments are taught, but when you actually come to the trial court, or let us say the high court, and practice criminal law there, then you read all kinds of judgments. You only don't read landmark judgments, you read judgments which are more factually inclined, because you have to do the appropriate research for a case at hand. And hence, the kind of study also which takes place in a court of law is very different from the study that you do at the law school level. So there are some differences, but at the same time, you should concentrate on your courses and do them well too.